The Musiclily WJB750 Bass Tuners offer a very smooth and precise feel thanks to their 20-to-1 gear ratio, which makes fine-tuning effortless on an electric bass. They are designed to drop into many Ibanez-style and other modern electric basses with standard peg hole sizing, so installation is straightforward for most players. The open gear construction with classic Y-shaped keys gives a familiar vintage look, while keeping the tuners relatively light and well-balanced on the headstock. A sturdy metal alloy build and a carefully applied chrome finish help these machine heads resist wear, corrosion, and flaking even with regular gigging and practice. The set comes as a matched pair of 2 left and 2 right tuners, along with the necessary mounting hardware, so you can complete a full replacement without hunting for extra parts. Overall, these Musiclily tuners deliver reliable tuning stability, a clean appearance, and a solid upgrade feel compared with many stock bass tuning machines.